Hello students, good morning to all. So today we will continue self practice 2A from question number 12. Self practice 2A from question number 12. In the last class we have solved till question number 11. Now today we see question number 12. So question number 12C, 61 minus 27 by 8. 61 minus 27 by 8, this we have to solve. Okay. So see how we do this. First of all, we convert this improper fraction, mixed fraction into the improper fraction. That is 61 minus 8 to the 8 multiply 2 plus 7. 8 to the 16 plus 7, 23 by 8. 61 minus 23 by 8. Now we take the LCM. We multiply 61 into 8. See what we get. Here the denominator is nothing given, that means 1. Now the LCM of 1 and 8 will be 8. So 61 8 jam. 8 1 8, 8 6 48. 488 minus 23 by 8. So when you subtract from 488 23, 8 minus 3 gives you 5, 8 minus 2 gives you 6, 465 by 8. So this is an improper fraction. Now we convert this into the mixed fraction. So when you divide 460 by 8, then what you are going to get? See, 8 5s are 40. That quotient we write as a mixed number. 8 5s are 40. 6 will be remainder 65. 8 8 is 64. 1 is remainder. Now 58 1 by 8. 58 1 by 8 is the answer. 58 1 by 8. Like this we have to solve. Okay. Now we move to the question number 13. Now see question number 13. A. 13A I am doing for you. 1 2 by 3 plus 3 1 by 4 plus 7 by 10. Now see how we do this. See, this is the mixed fraction, this is the mixed fraction, this is the proper fraction. Now one thing we can do, here we can add the mixed number in one bracket. Here we will add the mixed number. Mixed number is 1, mixed number is 3, 1 plus 3. And after that in the another bracket we add all the fractions. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 7 by 10. All this proper fraction we add in other bracket. In one bracket we add the mixed numbers. Here mixed number is nothing, 0. So now see, 1 plus 3 gives you 4. And here that you have to find the LCM of 3, 4 and 10. So what will the LCM of 3, 4 and 10? So when you find, you will get the LCM of 3, 4 and 10, that is a 60. So calculate 10, 3, 4 LCM, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. Now here the LCM is 2 to the 4, 5 is 23, 60. LCM what you got? 60. Okay. So what you multiply in 3 to get 60, 20. So we multiply 20 to the numerator also. That is 2 into 20. Plus what you multiply in 4 to get 60, 15. So you multiply the numerator also by 15. 1 into 15. So what we done? We have multiplied the denominator with a certain number to get the number equal to the LCM 60. So what you multiply in 3 to get 60? 20. So multiply 20 to the numerator also, that is 2 into 20. Here what you multiply in 4 to get 60 equal to the LCM? 15. So multiply numerator also by 15, 1 into 15. Here in 10, what you multiply to get 60? 6. 10 6 is 60. So multiply the numerator also by 6. Now here you find 4 plus 40 plus 15 plus 7 6 is 42 by 60. Now here 4 plus 40 plus 15 55, 55 to 57, 57 4 for 97. That is 97 by 60. Now this is improper fraction. Again you convert it into the mixed fraction. So what you get? 4 plus divide addition by 60, 61 is 60, 37 with the remainder. 37 by 60. So 61 is 60 and 37 is the remainder. Now this is the mixed number, add the mixed number. So what you get? 4 plus 1 plus 37 by 60. So when you add 4 plus 1, what you get? 5. 37 by 60. This is the mixed fraction what we got. Okay, this is the answer. Now we move to the next question. Now we move to the question number 14. 14b. 3 5 by 24 minus 3 5 by 24 minus 1 7 by 36. 1 7 by 36 plus 11 by 16 plus 11 by 16. This question we have to solve. Now see how we do this question. In this also first we, in one bracket we write the mixed number 3 minus 1. We can write like this, 3 minus 1. Because this is the mixed number, and in another bracket we write all the fraction 5 by 24, and since this number we have to subtract, so that we have to write in the minus sign. So minus 1 minus 7 by 36. So this we write the negative. Negative mixed number and negative fraction. So here we write minus 7 by 36 plus 11 by 16. Okay. Here 1 minus 1 7 by 36 can be written as minus 1 minus 7 by 36. Okay, this number. And if you take the common minus outside, so you can write 1 plus 7 by 36. Okay, so on the place of this we have written. So this minus 1 we have subtracted in this fraction, this is the mixed number, and minus 7 by 36 remaining, that we write in the another bracket in which we are writing the fraction. Okay, so now 3 minus 1 gives you what? 2, and here you have to find the LCM of 24, 36 and 16. So when you calculate the LCM of 24, 36 and 16, see what you are going to get. 2 12s are, 2 18s are, 2 8s are, 2 6s are, 2 9s are, 2 4s are. Now 2 3s are, 2 2s are, again 2 1s are, 3 1s are, 3 3s are. Now the LCM we got, see 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2 is 16, 3 is 48. Now 48 3s are 48, 3 8s are 24, 3 4s are 12, 144. So the LCM what we got? 144. Now see in this. Now the LCM is 144, we have written. The LCM should be the common denominator for this 3 fraction. So what we multiply 24 to get 144. So that number, whatever you multiplied in 24 to get 144, that number you have to multiply to the numerator also 5 also. So see 24, 8 3s are 24, that is 24 6s are 24 6s are. So here 5 into 6 minus what you multiply in 36 to get 44. See here 9 4s are 36, 36 into 8, 36 into 4, 36 into 4. So minus 7 into 4. 36 4s are 144. Now here next 16, 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 9s are 144. So 11 into 9. In 16 we multiply 9 to get 144. So that 9 we multiply to the numerator also. Now see 2 plus what you get here, 5 6 are 30 minus 7 4s are 28 plus 11 9s are 99 upon 144. So what you get to after adding all this number, 30 minus 28 gives you 2 and 99 plus 2 gives you 101. Now 101 upon 144. So what will be the answer? Now this mixed fraction, this number we can write as a mixed fraction. This is the mixed number, this is the proper fraction. So the answer will be 2 101 by 144. 2 101 by 144. Okay, now we can check this answer. That is 14B. Self practice 2A 14B. Yes, 2 101 by 144, correct? We got the answer. Now this is all for the today, students. In the next class we will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Thank you for your kind attention.